Hey, I'm here at Xylem Design with Ben over at the CNC machine. And, and for anybody who has a CNC machine, you've got to be tired of the dust. Wait till you see what they came up with here.
Hey guys, Ben here at Xylem Design, and I'll show you what I got here for collecting dust. I built in a hood here, and a channel on the backside. There's a PVC pipe hooked up to our primary dust collection. So what happens is after I'm done cutting, I can just sweep everything off right into it. There's not really much dust there, but as you can see, it goes right back in the trough. And if I need to get back into the trough, then I can just lift this up. And I can walk back here, do any improvements I need to make, clean up back here. But it collects a lot of the dust, so as you can see, I'm still getting a little bit back here, but not nearly as much as you could have. So, looks pretty good. And I can just unclip this.
And then how do you empty that trough?
I've got a little plug here. It's kind of a beta version right now, but this plug actually sits right in the trough, covers that hole up. And then I just got to open my blast gate over here. And it'll start sucking everything from the trough up into our dust collector.
There you have it. Don't ever underestimate the creative genius of your people.